This is a 2013 Cadillac CTS. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a DVD video player, a 10-speaker audio system, direct injection, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and this vehicle has fewer than 8,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.